Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video we will learn about the three types of prompting. That is, one is contextual prompting, and another one is emotional prompting, and the last one is the laddering prompting. So what is these different ways of prompting? The techniques we'll try to see. The first one we will learn is the contextual prompting. So what is this contextual prompting? So what is this contextual prompting means? So whenever you want to write an article or anything, so we will be giving you the chat. We need to give to the chat GPT. Don't prepare on your own. So take these type of context or the messages into the consideration and prepare an article for this one. So if I try to show you with example, then you will understand. So here I will write summarize. I will try to press enter. Yeah, now I will stop this one. Yeah, here what I want to do is, so let's say that we want to create an article. Okay, so summarize the evolution of cricket in evolution of the cricket in the sports. So how the cricket has been evolved in the sports. So now I want to summarize this evolution. Now what I want to do, so when I click on this one, so it will summarize how the cricket has been, when it was been invented, and when this one gone, when is the first match conducted. Like this it will go on summarize. But I want to write the article in such a way that also I am giving the context for this one. Also evaluate the impact of cricket on other sports. Okay, so how this cricket has impacted on other sports. So I am asking that how the cricket impact has been affected on the other sports. Now another one what I want to do is, so I want to give some more context also. Consider the current shift towards, so like this we can write current shift towards 2020 cricket in your response. And how the test cricket faded because of 20 cricket. So these are the context I wanted. So when it is trying to summarize the article, so just what I want to do is, so don't simply tell about the cricket, how when it was discovered, and what is the first match it has been conducted, in which stadium it has been conducted, and what are the sports, in which year it was invented. So those are all the things I don't want it. So how the impact of the cricket on other sports, so how it has impacted other sports, and consider the current shift towards the 20 cricket. So now how the present current cricket is over leaning to the 20 cricket, in your response I am asking. And also I am telling that how the test cricket got faded because of the 20. So like this I am trying to. So the context, I am giving the context also. So if I click on save and submit, now it will try to prepare the article in keeping these all the things in mind. So that is the main thing. So here see, test cricket, the game's longest for one day cricket. So like this it is trying to give formulation of rules, impact on the test cricket. The rise of the 20 cricket has led to the decline in the popularity of test cricket. So now it is trying to give you these all things. So here it is the rise of the 2020 cricket while diminishing the presence of, so like this it is trying to give. So this is how, this is called as an contextual prompting. So now here what you are trying to give, so you are trying to give the context, so don't deviate to other things. So be in this context only. So when you are trying to prepare an article or anything, so these are the context which you need to be in, so while preparing the response. So this is one way of prompting. So this is contextual prompting. Now the second one which I want to tell you is the simple one, that is an emotional prompting. So what is this emotional prompting? Now for example, let's say that article, will try to do article and we'll keep, yeah. Now here for example, let's say that emotional prompting means, for example, think me as a customer. Okay, think me as a customer. I have purchased a product, let's say laptop. I have purchased a laptop in some website like Amazon or Flipkart or anything. In one website I have purchased it. Now while shipping, the laptop got broken. I received a damaged product. Okay. So now I will, so now the company, so think me as a company. So I have shipped a product to the customer, but while shipping the product got damaged. So the customer has posted an email for us. So aggressively he has posted an email. Now the company has to post a email, post the response. So now we need to mention the details, and we need to prepare the response by the company. So how we can prepare the response? Let's say, see here I am writing, write the email response to the following customer complaint. So customer complaint. Okay. So this is the thing. So now what is the thing I am doing? So write the, so we are now the company email response we need to prepare to the following customer complaint. So I am preparing a complaint now. Now what is this complaint? What the customer has given? So he has given your products are garbage. So he has given aggressive mode. The new laptop I purchased one day before purchased has broken. So whatever thing, one day before it was shipped. So just I will file a complaint. Okay. So this is the overall summary of the message what the customer has given. So when drafting the message, when drafting the response, so I want to take the aggressive mode. So why? Because he has mentioned, the customer has mentioned that our products are garbage. So this will affect the other customers also. So here the emotional I am taking, take the aggressive mode. So now let's see how this ChatGPT will try to give. So here, urgent product quality concern. Thank you for reaching out. However, I must address a fundamental inconsistency complaint. It's logically impossible for the laptop. So it's an aggressive mode. I recommend reevaluating the events leading up to discoveries. So here our product undergo rigorous quality checks and all those things. You still believe there is damage before, please provide evidence such as boxing, like this. Okay. So now we are targeting the customer that, so our product is nice and you are telling it's a garbage. So we are committed to customer satisfaction, like this. Now for example, let's say that the same thing I want to go take the sentiment mode. So I want to take the sentiment mode, taking customer into account. Okay, so I want to taking customer into account. Now you see the what I can say is the mail will be different. Immediate action to your concern. So I hope this message finds you well. I am reaching out your address. So I want to express my sincere apologies for the inconvenience and frustration you have incurred. Upon reviewing regarding laptop, it seems there might be misunderstanding or an error at the timeline of events. As per record, the product was shipped to you in functional state. So now we are telling to the customer that so like this. So these are the steps we use. These are the steps we can do it. So now we are cooling the customer. So the customer will get cool. The previous message was in aggressive mode, that the company is also in a serious thing, that the feedback which the customer has given is in what I can say is not a nice one. So like this, so we can ask the ChatGPT based on the emotional. So this is called as an emotional prompting. Now you hope you understand about this emotional prompting. So how we need to respond to this email. Now the last one which I want to explain you about is the laddering prompting. So what is this laddering prompting? Now laddering prompting means, what I can say is, for example, let's say that if when you want to achieve a complex complex task, when you want to achieve a complex task, so we need to complete it step by step. So we need to divide that complex task into a simple task. So by combining all the simple tasks, this complex task will be completed. So this is called as a laddering prompting. I will try to tell you a simple example. Now here I am writing, create a login HTML form with email and password as input. So this is our first step. Okay. So now it will create a HTML form, simple HTML code it is created. So here you are having an email and password, everything, you got an HTML form. Now I want to write the validations for this form also. So now what I can do, so write the validations for the login form. So this is the second step what I want to do. So now it will try to write the validations for the same login form. So now it is trying to write the validations. Let's see what it will try to do. HTML code and it is writing the validations from. So it is taking the login validations. So okay. So where is that script file? Okay, it is giving an external link file. So we will try to, I will ask it to write in the same form only. Write the validations to the login form in single file, both. I'll try to do it. We'll see. So it is giving an external JS file also. So just we'll see. See, now it is writing the same thing in the HTML file only. Now we have achieved the login also. So it is trying to create the login form and also it has created validations also. Now what I want to do is, for the same thing, I want to submit an API request upon form submitting. So here create a post request when the form is submitted with login data. So now I am creating a post request also. So now we are achieving these all the things step by step. You try to understand. So now our main goal is, so to create a login form, I need to create a post request and validations, everything need to be completed. First we have created an HTML form and then we have added the validations. Then afterwards we are creating the post request. Now here see, it is trying to check the validations and everything. So it is writing the validations, everything it is writing here. So now it is, what is this? This one is not writing the validations or what? We will ask with validations. See, sometimes it will try to do okay with validations. So like this we will try to achieve it step by step. So this is how I want to tell you. So this is how I want to tell you about this one all. So now, so here function post request and all those things it is writing. So this is called as a laddering prompting. I have shown you a simple example. So this is not a very good example also, but I want to tell you. So I hope the main concept, the funda has reached to you. So laddering prompting, step by step we will achieve. This is one type of way of prompting. So now in this video we have learned about the contextual prompting, emotional prompting and also the laddering prompting. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.